balloons at home and leave your comments below. And newcomers, please subscribe our channel.
Take a glass bottle, funnel, balloon, Drain-X powder and aluminium foil paper. Make small balls with aluminium foil paper. Take a glass bottle and add enough Drain-X powder into the mouth of the balloon using funnel. Liberally add aluminium foil papers into the mouth of the bottle. Fix the balloon into the mouth of the bottle. On one hand, hold the bottle, on other hand, pour the Drain-X powder gently. Now, the balloon starts to inflate gradually. Be cautious, the bottle will be pretty hot while the reaction takes place. Allow the bottle aside for 30 minutes for the reactions to settle. Now the balloon is ready. The balloon is filled with hydrogen gas. Do you know? Hydrogen is the lightest element which is lighter than air. Hence the balloon rises and floats in air.
Science behind this. Drain cleaner contains hydrogen chloride reacting with aluminium foil paper causing a hydrogen gas. This hydrogen gas makes balloon to fly. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.